Are you aware of the big update that just dropped? And it's something that's going to change the way we travel forever. India has officially launched ePassports nationwide. Yes, you heard that right. No more long queues, no more stamp-stained pages, and definitely no more fakes. But what exactly is this ePassport? How do you get one? And why is everyone suddenly talking about this? Let's look into it. Greetings aspirants, welcome to Civic Center IAS. Firstly, let us understand what is an ePassport. An ePassport is just like your regular passport but smarter and way more secure. It comes with a small electronic chip embedded inside the back cover. This chip stores all your details, name, photo, fingerprints, and even your iris scan. Think of it like carrying your entire passport in a digital form. And here's the cool part. Instead of long immigration lines, it works with fast e-gates. Just tap, scan, and you're through. So why is this such a big deal right now? On June 25, 2025, the government rolled out ePassports nationwide during Passport Seva Divas. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar called it a game changer for modern India. And honestly, it is. India is now joining countries like the US, Germany, Singapore, and Australia, places that have been using ePassports for over years. This is a very proud moment and it puts us on the global map for secure digital travel. And here's the part everyone's asking. How do I get mine? Super simple. You don't need a separate process. Just head over to the Passport Seva portal like you normally do. Here what you'll do. Log in and fill your application, choose your nearest Passport Seva Kendra, pay a standard fee and get your appointment for the biometrics and you're done. Your new e-passport is printed and shipped directly to you. There's no extra charge. It's part of the upgrade. Okay, now let's talk about the real perks. First one is security. The chip is super secure. It's practically impossible to fake or tamper with. Then, secondly, the speed. You'll glide through immigration lines with biometric gates. And lastly, durability. The new design is stronger and lasts for 10 years. This rollout isn't just about convenience, it's about global relevance. India now joins over 120 countries that are using e-passports. It boosts our global mobility, strengthens national identity infrastructure, and adds a major layer to cybersecurity and governance. And there you have it all the key details you need to know regarding the ePassport. If you got more questions, drop them in the comments. Like this video if it helped you. Thank you.